this is Tiffany. Today I would like to introduce you a PCB by Rogers material. Look, this is a double layer PCB with RO4350B materials. You can find the green solder mask area here is very special. It is printed after the circuit lines are etched. Its function is to prevent solder bridging between the IC pads and the surrounding large gold-plated areas during the SMT process, which would otherwise lead to short circuits due to unintended connections during soldering. RO4350B is chosen for PCB substrates because it strikes a balance between excellent high-frequency performance and cost-effectiveness, making it an ideal solution for demanding applications such as wireless communication systems, satellite technology, radar systems, and high-speed data works. Do you want to know more information about the Rogers material? Please feel free to contact us. Bye-bye.